Welcome to English in Easy Way. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. So hello guys, welcome to English in Easy Way. The topic today we're going to discuss is about prepositions. It's quite a difficult topic, but in your channel we're going to upload some more videos to explain it really easily and comfortably to you. So at first let's start. I want you guys to imagine like here's a circular object or something. Just count it. When an object is inside or is here inside the object, the preposition you use is gonna be in. When the object is just touching on the surface, the preposition you are gonna use is on. From on, if the object stays a bit more far upper on the side, you are going to use over. More up equal to up. The same case applies in the opposite, like if something is under the object, just going to use the under, this preposition. If it is more deep beneath the thing, the preposition you are going to use is below or beneath. Now let's think of a object which is residing just in this box, fully covered. So you are going to use inside because it's totally inside. And when the object is completely out of the surface area or the total area you use, it's going to be outside. Now let's think of two things. Let's take this as the standard one. If your object is behind it, you're going to use behind. If your object is like here, you can see it is in front of the duster. The marker is in front of the duster. The preposition you're going to use is going to be in front. If something goes directly through the preposition is through. And when something is going on the side, just inside, think this is a road and this thing is going down there, the preposition you are going to use is alone. But if something goes in this direction of another object, the preposition you are going to use is towards. If the objects are around something, preposition is obviously going to be around, like these objects around the box. Now let's think of two people. When you think of two people, to distribute something, we have to use between. And when there are more people, more than two, we're going to use among. Now let's think of some places. This is place A, this is place B. So from A to B, and from, if you think